Here's a
Is this a spoiler?
no.
No. Okay.
No spoiler. I haven't even seen this Batman movie.
Okay.
The Batman. You both saw it?
I've seen it.
Yes.
You were two thumbs up. You were neutral.
Neutral.
Well, okay, easy.
I
That
think I'm
sounded
on
even-
your side. Maybe a 1 thumb up.
Wait a
Yeah.
second. You changed your report,
You want to know something
Was it
even
2
more
thumbs?
crazy? You know who changed their report?
Jack?
Jack changed his report.
Oh, Jack.
He said he was watching it, and I really should let him explain this, but just a rough, he was watching it again on his laptop. He said he got halfway through and said, not the same feeling.
He was watching it again on his laptop.
Yeah.
Well,
When-
that's
as soon
it's
as it hit
available
Crave.
now.
Yeah, it hit Crave.
okay. Well, that's kind of a problem, though. You're comparing
comparison.
a movie theater to a laptop.
No, no,
Obviously,
but his walk-in feeling was that like,
he had overreacted.
no, he was like, I really love the movie and I can't wait to watch it again. That was his feeling.
No,
after.
I know. You explained that to us. I didn't hear his report, but you had said that he had said that it was an amazing movie.
Yes.
But what I'm trying to say
Okay.
is, first of all, the first time is always going to be the best movie experience.
Of course.
And the movie theater, like, I wouldn't be surprised that my interpretation would change on second viewing on a laptop.
Yes.
I
But
would
he
expect
he
it to change.
He was much more shocked.
Okay.
He was much more shocked than.
Shocked in the sense of, I can't believe I thought I liked it that much.
No, I think he really had the expectations that he would like it at a reasonable scale.
Gotcha.
And it was a lot lower.
This is very interesting stuff. One thing I've been following on social media, no spoilers, don't worry, is how they were able to insert so many Easter eggs into the movie.
Oh, I didn't know they had. many.
All types of Easter eggs that make me kind of want to watch it just to see if I can spot them.
Oh, okay.
So here we have a comparison. We have two different images. At the top here is the 2022 The Batman. You can see a bust of Shakespeare at the Wayne Manor. And it's a reference to the 1960s Batman show. That's the same bust that Bruce would lift up to enter the Batcave. And you can see the image of that. Same bust. Boom. Shakespeare bust.
Wow.
And it's like such a nothing kind of insert in the new movie. There's a couple of other frames I saw where the Joker actually is, but tiny, like you would never spot him
Okay.
type of thing. It kind of makes me want to watch it just to know that there's the attention to detail there.
Right, right.
But I got this whole variety of reports from all you guys. It's hard for me to even watch at this point. It's so much input I'm getting.
Well, you don't really care. You like spoilers, right?
Well, I don't mind it because the chances of me watching it are slim.
Watch it with your kids. It's not too violent.
Well, you know, I don't know why I've been reluctant to watch it, but yeah, maybe I should. I just don't know. When I leave on a decent relationship with a superhero,
I get it. I get it. I haven't watched the new Spider-Mans because I like the ones that I remember.
whoa.
Which one?
I didn't expect.
I like the originals. I know this isn't people
With
don't.
Maguire?
Yeah, yeah. Well, they just have like a nostalgic feeling to me,
Yeah.
right? So
I think-
this new Tom guy, he doesn't give me the same nostalgia.
I think this is controversial what you're doing right now.
I'm sure it is.
But I was surprised to hit such a note with you there.
Oh, you're still on the Spider-Man thing?
You just went. There was a connection.
No, I get it, man. Sometimes you want to ruin something. You got like a good thing, and
I don't think I think it's subconscious for one. I don't think I've thought about it as much as you
well,
have.
no, it's out there because people will sometimes get upset that like, why are you doing another Batman? You're gonna ruin Batman.
And by the way, I don't agree. I think you keep going, whatever, because there's new generations and everything else. But I liked the Nolan stuff. I liked it, and every time you do these franchises, you got to reboot the whole thing, all the stylings and the interpretations and the actors and everything else.
right.
Is it woke?
The movie?
Yeah.
I wouldn't say so.
Okay.
No.
Okay.
No.
Not at all.
I don't think so. Not at all.
Oh, he's got a. Well, I'm not asking for a
We got to
spoiler.
discuss it. You got to watch it, and then we can discuss
you wanted
later
to.
on.
Oh, I thought you were going to take this offline. He heard the word woke and he got nervous.
Ends the live.
Because that's what I tune into for
No.
movies now.
No, Lou, there was absolutely nothing woke at all about my experience in watching the Batman movie
Yeah.
in
The
2022.
Batman.
The Batman movie.
And that's all for today's show. We will see you tomorrow on the next episode of Lou Later. Bye.
Oh, man.
Somebody says there was one woke line in it. That must be what you're thinking of, Will.
Yeah, probably.
Just one woke. I think that's okay. I mean, I don't know what the woke ratio anybody's looking for is, but
Yeah.
probably some people want none. Some people want some people want all of it. Max woke. I don't know what the rules are. There's always a ratio, isn't there? Well, was that the last story of the day? You see, we did it, guys. Guys, we did it. We did it. I know we were staring at some tabs earlier, and the guys were like, man, it's so much up there. How are we possibly going to make it to the end of this journey? And somehow, some way, we figure it out together, collectively, along with the community, because I think it's a record setter for Super Chats. Honestly, you guys came out heavy on 420. I don't know what that says about us or you or anybody, but we really do appreciate it. And as I mentioned, we love doing it. And so you can expect us to be back tomorrow. Earlier. Early time tomorrow. What?
Yep.
Early time tomorrow. You're not going to need to stay up till 2 a.m. Oh my God. And it's real. It's real. It's really real, is what I would say.
Uh-huh.
See you guys tomorrow. Thank you again. Truly appreciate it. Thank you.